Hello. Alright, welcome back. In this video now I want to show how to create menu in your WordPress site. So what we're going to do is go to appearance. What we're going to do is go to appearance, then menus. There's one basic thing I want you to understand about menus. Menus in WordPress are basically pages. So all of the things that we have here, as you can see here, we have pages, posts, custom links, and categories. These are the things from which we can create menus, and we have a menu placement, menu locations, and we have several of them. In this particular theme, we have the primary menu, we have the quick links, we have the secondary, which is the top menu. If you look at the website again, we have a menu on top here. That is the top menu, and we have, this is the primary link. So those are the menus. We have the primary menu, the secondary menu, which is the top menu, and the social menu. So you can create another menu location if you want, but in this tutorial I'm just going to show how to create a new menu. So I'm going to create an about us page. Go to pages, add new. So we're going to add a new page, add new, come here, add new. So we are on the add new page where we can create a new page. So I'm going to name this about us, and we're going to see how we're going to place it on the main menu so that we can have an about us page. So we're going to say this is an about us page, and it's about menu creation in WordPress. So that's a simple about us that we want there. So on my link here, on my theme, as you can see, we can make some adjustments here, but I don't want to talk about that. We'll just face this menu creation thing. So I'm gonna publish this page. The page is published now, so you can see page published. Let's see if you can view this page. Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Wow. So let's see if you can view this page. So you'll see right here that we can view this page, but we won't be able to see it in the menu. But we are not going to see it in the menu. You can see right here we have about us, but it's not on the menu yet. You can see this is an about us page, and it's about menu creation in WordPress. So I'm going to close out of this, and then we are going to place that in the menu. So where we go is we go to appearance, menus. We want to add the about us page to our menu so we can have it on the menu page. So we want it on the main primary menu. So what we're going to do is we have it on the pages, and that is it here, about us. So you just need to select it and then click on add menu, and it is added already. So when we go down, we have a lot of links here. We have an about us. So if we save this menu, and then go to our page and refresh, you should see the about us on the primary menu now. As you can see, that's it here, about us. So that's how to create a page in your WordPress website. That's how to create a menu. If you look at the menus we have on this my theme, you can see we have a main menu and we have sub menus. How are these created in WordPress? We have sub menus. Courses. You can see courses still have some sub menu. Engineering has sub menu of Master of Engineering, Master of Engineering Management, and Information Technology has Bachelor of Information Technology and Master. So how are those created? When you look at this menu structure here, you can see under courses we have engineering. And under engineering we have master of engineering and master. You can see sub item, sub item. How can we make sub items like that? What we just need to do is just to move your about us a little bit inside so that it comes or forms a structure like this. I am on my tablet, so I don't have the opportunity to do that. I'm recording this on my tablet, so I can't do that. Let me try with my finger. It can move. It's not moving. So if I were to be on a PC, it would have been easy to do, but I can't do that right now because I'm on my tablet. Okay, so that's pretty much how to create a menu, and that's it. Bye for now.